Good morning, parents and children. Welcome you all. I hope you all are staying safe at home. Dear LKG students, in this e-class, you are going to learn addition. First time you are learning addition. I request all the parents, please help your child to sit with math notebook, pencil and eraser. Let's start. Dear kids, first time you are learning addition. So, while watching this video, listen attentively and understand what ma'am is trying to teach you. What is addition? Addition means all together, taking two or more groups or numbers and count or adding them all together. Suppose there was a boy who had 2 pencils. How many pencils this boy had? Count. Count, children. 1, 2. 2 pencils. Children, count again. 1, 2. This boy had 2 pencils. After a while, his sister came and gave 1 more pencil to her brother. Children, look at the screen. She is giving 1 more pencil to her brother. See? She is giving 1 more pencil to this boy. Now, could you tell me how many pencils this boy had? Children, count and tell me how many pencils this boy had now. Have you counted? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many pencils this boy had? 3. Now, this boy had 3 pencils. Children, look at this sign. This sign is plus sign. This is the symbol of addition. Counting 2 or more groups of objects, numbers all together to find how many in all. This process is called addition. Children, the symbol or sign used to indicate addition is plus sign or plus symbol. This symbol is used to indicate addition. Children, let's see one more example of addition. Look at the screen. How many cats are here? Count. 1, 2. 2 cats are here. Children, Look at this sign. This is the sign of addition. It means we are going to add, join, include one more group. Now look at the screen. How many cats are going to join these two cats? See, only one cat. Children, let's count how many cats we have now. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. Let's revise. We have 2 groups of cat. In first group, 2 cats are there. Count with me. 1, 2. In first group, 2 cats are there. Number 2. Now let's count second group. In second group, only 1 cat is there. So we will write only 1. Number 1. Now we will count all the cats in both the groups all together. Let's add these cats. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. So all together we have 3 cats. Children, let's see one more addition. Look at this box. Children, count how many apples are there in this box. 1, 2. 2 apples. 2 apples are there in this box. Now look at this sign. This is the sign of addition. Plus sign. When we join or add 2 groups numbers, we use this sign for addition. Now we are going to add one more box of apples. Look at the box. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples are there in this box. Children, let's find how many apples are there in these 2 boxes. Children, we will add all the apples in these 2 boxes all together. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. So all together we have 5 apples in these 2 boxes. Children, look at this box. This box belongs to total number of objects or total number of apples. How many apples we have altogether? We have 5 apples. So, 5 apples will come in this box. Children, now we will put 5 apples in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. Children, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. Children, look at this sign. This sign means equal. Equal means same. Equal means object or things be the same as in number or amount on the left side and right side of the equal sign. Children, we write our result or answer after this equal sign. Children, this is left side of equals to. This is right side of equals to. So, left side objects or things, right side objects or things of equals to must be the same as in number or amount. So children, here we have 5 apples on left side of equals to and 5 apples on right side of equals to. Children, now we will learn how to do addition in vertical form. You will write the numbers in one column like this. First, we will write number 3. Then, below 3, we will write number 2. Then after 2, we will draw 2 sleeping lines. One is at the top of the box and other is at the bottom of the box. Then we will put the sign of addition, plus sign. Children, now we will solve this addition sum. Children, look at number 3. For number 3, we will draw 3 balls. Or, children, you can draw 3 marbles, sticks, anything. Children, let's count the ball. 1, 2, 3. So here we have 3 balls for number 3. Children, look at number 2. Now we will draw 2 balls for number 2. Let's count with me. 1, 2. We have 2 balls for number 2. Children, now we will find how many total number of balls we have all together. Children, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. Follow the forward counting. 4, 5. So here we have total number of 5 balls. Children, our answer is number 5. Here in this box, we will write number 5. Students, take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, get ready for the work. Take out your page. First, write date on the top left side of the page. After date, write CW. CW means classwork. Then write heading. Heading of today's topic, that is addition. So start writing. Write letter A, then D, then again D, I. Besides I, write letter T, then letter I, O, N. Addition. Children, now after heading, leave one row. After that, draw apple with the help of your mother. Parents, please help the child. Children, let's count how many fruits we have here. Here we have apple and mango. Look here, children. Here we have apple and mango. 2 different fruits. Let's find how many fruits we have all together. So first we will count apples. How many apples we have? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Write 4. Four apples. Now we will count mangoes. How many mangoes are here? 1, 2. 2 mangoes. Write 2 in box. So we have 4 apples, 2 mangoes. Now we will add to find how many fruits we have all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We have 6 fruits. After 4, we follow the forward counting. 4, 5. Again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, follow the forward counting. 5, 6. 6 fruits we have all together. So write 6. 4 apples, 2 mangoes. We have 6 fruits all together. Write 6. Now come to second problem. Here we have ice creams. Let's count how many ice creams we have. We have ice cream in 2 groups. First group, second group. So first we will count first group of ice creams. Let's count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 ice creams. Now we will count second group of ice creams. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 ice creams in second group. Write number 3. Let's count how many total number of ice creams we have here in 2 groups. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, follow the forward counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ice creams all together. So write 8. In first group we have 5 ice cream. In second group we have 3 ice creams. All together we have 8 ice creams. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Children, let's do next problem. In this we have 2 groups of balloons. Let's count the first group of balloons. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. In first group we have 3 balloons. Now count second group. 1, 2. In second group we have 2 balloons. Let's find how many balloons we have all together. So let's count from 1, 2, 3. Follow the forward counting. 4, 5. We have 5 balloons. Write number 5. So total number of balloons are 5. Now 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Children, Equal means same. We will write the result or answer after this equal sign. Children, we will write our result after this equal sign. So children, all of you will do this work in your notebook. Children, now we will do addition in vertical. Okay. How to solve the addition problem in vertical. Take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, open your page, write date on the top left side corner of the page, write date. After date, write CW. CW means classwork. After this, write heading of today's topic, that is addition. So write addition, spelling of addition. First write A, then D, again D, I, then beside I write letter T, after T write letter I, then O, N, addition. So, the spelling of addition is completed. Now, leave one row. After that, write number 3. Below number 3, write number 2. Then, put the sign of addition, plus sign. Then, draw 2 lines. One is on the top of the box, then other is at the bottom of the box. Draw 2 lines. Now we will solve this problem. Here the number 3. For number 3, we will draw 3 marbles. So let's draw 3 marbles for number 3 with me. One, 2, 3. 3 marbles for number 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Now go to number 2. For number 2, we will draw 2 marbles. 2 marbles for number 2. 1, 2. 2 marbles for number 2. Now, let's find how many marbles we have all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 marbles. So write number 5 in this box. So total number of marbles we have 5. Let's check one more time. 1, 2, 3, follow the forward counting, 4, 5. We have 5 marbles all together. 3 plus 2 are 5. 3 plus 2 are 5. Now come to next problem. Leave 2 row. Then write number 5. After 5, write number 4. Below 5, write 4. Then in front of 5, put the sign of addition. Then draw 2 lines, top and bottom. Now draw 5 marbles for number 5. Number 5 has 5 marbles. So draw 5 marbles for number 5. Let's draw with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come to number 4. For number 4, we will draw 4 marbles. Let's draw with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marbles for number 4. Now, children, let's find how many total number of marbles we have. For that, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow the forward counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have total 9 marbles. So write 9 here. Number 9. Now again we will check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9. We have total 9 marbles. 5 plus 4 are 9. Now children, come to next problem. Leave 2 row. Now write number 6. Then after 6, write 1. Below 6, write number 1. Then in front of 1, put the sign of addition. Then draw 2 lines, top and bottom. Now we will draw 6 marbles for number 6. 6 is here, so we will draw 6 marbles. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for number 6, 6 marbles we have drawn. Now come to number 1. How many marbles we will draw for number 1? Only 1. 1 has only 1. So 1 marble we will draw for number 1. Now, how many marbles we have now? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 marbles. So write here number 7. Total number of marbles we have 7. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Follow the forward counting 7. All together we have 7 marbles. 6 plus 1 are 7. Now come to next problem. Write number 4 here. Then below 4 write number 3. Then draw the sign of addition. Now draw top and bottom lines. Now we will solve 4 plus 3. Now for 4, how many marbles we will draw for number 4? 4 marbles. We will draw 4 marbles for number 4. Let's draw with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marbles for number 4. Now come to number 3. For 3, we will draw 3 marbles. 1, 2, 3. So let's count total number of marbles we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow the forward counting. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 marbles all together. Let's check one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 are 7. Now leave 2 rows. Write the number 2. Then below 2 write 2 again. Then draw the sign of addition. Then draw top and bottom lines. Now we will solve this problem. Here number 2. How many marbles we will draw for number 2? Only 2. So draw 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 for number 2. Now come to next 2. Again for 2 we will draw 2 marbles. 1, 2. Now let's find how many marbles we have all together. Let's find total number of marbles. So for that count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marbles. Total number of marbles we have 4. 2 plus 2 are 4. Now let's check again. 1, 2, follow the forward counting. 3, 4. 4. Children, you will follow the same classwork in homework. date on the left side of next page. Then after date, write HW homework as CW. HW means homework, CW means classwork. Do practice of addition. Dear parents, first time LKG children are learning addition. So I request all the LKG parents kindly give regular practice of addition to children. Children, stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.